What's the book you've read over and over again? Or a book you've read several times? Hi, my name is Izara Khadeeja Mohd Iqbal and I'm from SK CYBERJAYA. My school code is BBA 9226. Today, I'm going to talk about my favorite book. My favorite book is titled The Restaurant of Lost Recipes. It is a fiction book and has 200 pages inside of it. It is a global bestseller and has been praised by New York Journal of Books and Cambridge Edition. This book was published in Japanese in 2014, while the English version was published in 2024. The author of this book is Hisashi Kashiwa, who is also the author of the Kamogawa Food Detectives. Without the help of Jess Kirkwood, we wouldn't have been able to read this beautiful work of art in English. This book is about a restaurant down a Kyoto backstreet that is run by a father-daughter duo who reinvent themselves as food detectives, offering a service that goes beyond traditional dining. Nagare Komogawa and Koishi Kamogawa uncover lost recipes by tracking down every single clue on what their customers give, even when the information isn't that much. Among those who seek their service are a one-hit wonder pop star who wants to reminisce the tempura that she ate to celebrate her only successful record, to the budding Olympic swimmer who desires the bland bento that his estranged father used to make for him. As you walk into the Kamogawa diner, you will be greeted by Koichi, and Nagar will cook you up fine Kyoto cuisine. After you finish eating, Nagar will guide you to the office where Koichi will interview you. When you are in the office, Koichi will hand you out a form, and you must sign the form. After signing the form, Koichi will ask you questions such as, what's the dish you're looking for? How did it look like, or how did it taste like, and so on. After the interview, Nagar will ask if 2 weeks' time is enough for you to come back. After 2 weeks, you return to the Kamogawa diner, and when you are seated, the dish you wanted to reminisce this whole time is right in front of you. As you take a bite of the dish, the memories start to flood back to you. Nagare will also explain how he finds the food, and Koichi will add some details to the story. After you finish eating, you will be bid farewell, and Drowsy, the tabby cat, will also purr on you, also bidding farewell. For me, this book taught me that there is no shortcut to anything, and that you also need to enjoy the present because in the future, or when you grow older, you will miss the memories and the life that you had in the past. Well, how about you? What's your favorite book? I'd like to hear more about your favorite books too. I hope you have a nice day and thank you for listening to my book review.